Human kidney and its associated parts. The excretory system is a passive biological system that removes excess unnecessary materials from the body fluids of an organism. The dual function of excretory systems is the elimination of the waste products of metabolism and to drain the body of used up and broken down components in a liquid and gaseous state. Several byproducts are formed in cells as a result of metabolic activities. If the amount of these byproducts exceeds a certain limit, it becomes harmful to our body. Nitrogenous compounds formed by the metabolism of amino acids and nucleic acids, carbon dioxide and water, which are the byproducts of respiration, etc., are the main excretory products in human beings. Excretion is the process of elimination of these wastes from the body. This is one of the methods to maintain homeostasis. The excretory organs in human body are skin, lungs, liver and kidney. Kidneys are the main excretory organ in human body. Kidneys. Kidneys are the major excretory organs in human beings. Kidneys are the organs which filter urea, vitamins, salts and other substances harmful to the human body from blood and expel them through urine. Human beings have a pair of kidneys. They are bean-shaped and are located in the abdominal cavity on either sides of the vertebral column. Compared to the right kidney, the left kidney is located slightly higher. Each kidney is covered by a strong but soft membrane. Blood with high pressure reaches the kidney through renal artery, which is a branch of aorta. The filter blood reaches the vena cava through renal vein. Urine formed in the kidneys reaches the urinary bladder through the ureters and is expelled out through the urethra. Functions of kidney. The kidney's primary function is the elimination of waste from the bloodstream by production of urine. They perform several homeostatic functions such as maintain volume of extracellular fluid, maintain ionic balance in extracellular fluid, maintain pH and osmotic concentration of the extracellular fluid, excrete toxic metabolic byproducts such as urea, ammonia and uric acid. Ureter. The ureters are muscular ducts that propel urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. In the human adult, the ureters are usually 25 to 30 cm or 10 to 12 inch long. In humans, the ureters arise from the renal pelvis on the medial aspect of each kidney before descending towards the bladder. Urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is the organ that collects waste excreted by the kidneys. It is a hollow muscular and elastic organ and it sits on the pelvic floor. Urine enters the bladder via the ureters and exits via the urethra. Urethra. Urethra is a tube which connects the urinary bladder to the outside of the body. In humans, the urethra has an excretory function in both genders to pass. To make the concept clear, let's watch a video.
The kidneys The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped dark brown organs located in the back of the abdominal cavity on either side of the vertebral column. Each kidney is about 10 cm to 12 cm long, 5 cm to 7 cm wide, and 2 cm to 3 cm thick. The main function of the kidney is the ultrafiltration and excretion of waste products from our body in the form of urine, thus by maintaining homeostasis. Kidneys regulate blood pressure, amount of water and salt in our body. Even though there are two kidneys in our body, one kidney is sufficient in performing the body activities comfortably.
Internal structure of kidney. Cortex, the light-colored outer part of the kidney. Ultrafilters of the nephrons are found here. Medulla, the dark-colored inner part of the kidney. Long tubules of nephron are found. Pelvis, region where urine from the filters flows into. To make the concept clear, let's watch another video.
The light-colored cortex, the dark-colored medulla are the two important parts of a kidney. In addition to these parts, the renal artery, which supply blood to the kidneys, the renal vein, which carry pure blood to the vena cava, ureter, which carries filtered urine to the urinary bladder, the pelvis, etc., are the associated parts of the kidneys.
Structure of nephron. Kidney is comprised of about 12 lakh ultrafilters. These are called nephrons. Nephrons are the basic structural and functional units of kidneys. Parts of a nephron. Bowman's capsule. The double-walled cup-shaped structure at one end of the nephron. The space between the two walls is called capsular space. Glomerulus, the region where afferent vessel enters the Bowman's capsule and splits into minute capillaries. Peritubular capillaries, blood capillaries seen around the renal tubules and the continuation of the efferent vessel. Renal tubule, the long tubule which connects the Bowman's capsule and the collecting duct. Efferent vessel, the blood vessel that comes out of Bowman's capsule. Afferent vessel, the branch of renal artery which enters the Bowman's capsule. Loop of Henle, it is a long U-shaped portion of the tubule that conducts urine within each nephron of the kidney. Its principal function is in the recovery of water and sodium chloride from urine. PCT and DCT. These are the two convoluted parts of a nephron found in the renal cortex. PCT is mainly involved in the reabsorption, whereas secretion occurs in the DCT. Vasa recta. They are straight capillaries coming off from arcades in the mesentery of the jejunum and ileum and heading towards the intestine. Collecting duct. The part where renal tubules enter. Absorption of water takes place. Urine is collected and is carried to the pelvis. To produce 1.5 liters of urine, the entire blood in the body passes through kidneys at least 350 times in 24 hours. About 1,800 liters of blood is filtered to form 170 liters of glomerular filtrate. Approximately 127 milliliter of glomerular filtrate is formed in every minute. Out of this, almost 126 milliliter is reabsorbed to blood. As a result, 1.5 liters of urine is formed from 170 liters of the glomerular filtrate. When sodium hypobromide reacts with urea, urea breaks down to form carbon dioxide and nitrogen. To make the concept clear, let's watch a video.
Nephron. Kidneys function as the excretory organ in vertebrates and humans. The kidneys are found in the back of the abdomen cavity and on both sides of the lower back spine. From outside in, it consists of three parts: renal cortex, renal medulla and renal pelvis. When microscopically examined, it is seen that kidney is made up of structures called a nephron. Nephrons are the building units of kidney and function as filtering units. Bowman's capsule is found at the beginning part of the nephron. The Bowman's capsule consists of a single layer of epithelial tissue which completely covers the glomerular capillaries. The glomerulus is a network of capillaries which fill the Bowman's capsule. The afferent arterioli entering the Bowman's capsule branch out into the glomeruli capillaries. These capillaries merge together and exit the Bowman's capsule as efferent arterioles. The structure formed by the Bowman's capsule and the glomerulus capillaries are called Malpighian corpuscle. After the Bowman's capsule is the section of the nephron tubule called the proximal tubule. This structure is located in the cortex of kidney. The proximal tubule leads to the loop of Henle in the medulla region of the kidney. The loop of Henle is made of two parts, as the descending limb and the ascending limb. The loop of Henle ascends back into the cortex to form distal tubule. The distal tubule then connects to a wider tube called the collecting duct. While Malpighian corpuscle and proximal tube parts of the nephron are found in the cortex, the loop of Henle is located in the medulla region.
Hence, kidneys are the major excretory organs in human beings. They have a pair of bean-shaped kidney. Urine formed in the kidneys reaches the urinary bladder through the ureters and is expelled out through the urethra. Kidney composed of cortex, medulla and pelvis. Nephrons are the basic structural and functional units of kidneys. Parts of nephron are Bowman's capsule, glomerulus, peritubular capillaries, renal tubule, afferent vessel and efferent vessel, loop of Henle, PCT and DCT, vasa recta and collecting duct. From this video, I hope the concept of kidney and its associated parts is clear. Thank you.